What's up, everybody? Another day, another loss. Yeah, man. Today I took two trades. Both were losses, and let me explain you the trades which I took. So first of all, if you see on the in the MT5, this was a support zone. This was a support zone. Price came all the way down to the support zone, and it formed a clean range. And the support zone, it also got rejected. It tried to go, this red candle closed below this zone, and then then the next candle immediately went and it closed back in the range, so which meant that this was a fake out. So then the probability of a price going up was very high, so that's the reason why I took a buy. And when did I take a buy? Initially I had the plans to take a buy on this candle's closure, but what happened was that my got slipped, and it my buy got slipped, and then it came all the way over here. This was a very bad entry, because if you see, this buy was also slipped. It was slipped way too much, but still I held on to this entry. And then my stop loss was somewhere over here on the previous candle, and with this stop loss I was losing around $150, and my target was all the way up till here. Okay, so what happened was that, because my stop loss was way too big, so what I needed to trim my stop loss. And what did I do to trim my stop loss? When this candle, when this current candle started to break the high, first it went and made a low. Then after 7 8 minutes of this candle making a low, then I trailed my loss over here on this candle's low, right over here. See, as this candle started to break this, the high of this candle initially it formed a low. So this was pre-London. This was around 12 o'clock. So yeah, man, I anticipated that volume will come and push this price up. But what happened? This candle went. It took my stop loss, and then I lost over around $82. I lost around $82 in this loss. Over here you guys can see $81.84. Then i I knew that the price will go up, but I found wanted to find another entry. Then this trade was purely based on the 15 minute. Then I scaled up to the 30 minute. Now on the 30 minute, if you guys see, I had a loss in this candle, but as soon as this candle started to break the high of the previous candle, first it went and formed a low. And then I thought, why not just give my trade a second chance? Because see, if it's high volume time, it has made a low, it is started to break this high, it started to break this high, then the price has a high probability of moving up. So I took a trade over here, got stopped out again, and then lost another 37 dollars. The stop loss was a bit less over here. That's the reason why I took this trade. So lost around $120 this day as well. But after that, see that price went and it uh, went in my direction. So yeah, man, I think, you know what? I have, like, after all of these losses, see, these losses don't matter to me much, because see, I am trading according to my strategy. But where am I messing up? I'm messing up in execution. If I had, let's suppose, if I had, let's go to the trading view. Okay, how would this trade be perfect? If I had entered right over here. First of all, I got slipped and I entered on over here, right? But if I would have entered right on this closure of this candle, this green candle, and my stop loss would be here, and if I held my trade, then it would have went and give me, it would, like, I would capture 140 pips. But that never happened, because I entered somewhere over here, then I traded my stop loss over here, then the next candle went, it came down, it took my stop loss, and then I gave my trade another chance. So then all of these things messed up. You know why is this thing happening? Because there was not enough volume when I entered, and volume came as soon as London opened. So yeah, man, the I have to, like, trade in times of volume. I am trading in times of volume, right? Like in pre-London, there's a lot of volume. In London Open, there's a lot of volume. I think I should have, like, kept my stop loss over here and never have touched the trade Maybe I could have closed 50% of my positions when these red candles happened, and then I should have just held the trade, and it would have given me some profits. So yeah, man, this was the day. Like, see, the analysis is not wrong. The trade direction is not wrong. The strategy is not wrong. Strategy is working. I am messing up in the execution part. I Yeah, that's where I'm missing. So how much did I lose today, bro? Right now I am down 5.3%. There was a point when I was up around 7.5% in this account. Today I lost 120.53 dollars. Took two trades and lost a lot today, man. So yeah, today is CPI in the New York session. Uh, I have no plans of trading the CPI because see, what I was thinking was that why not just let's trade news today and try to recover this account. But then I thought, no, that's against my plan. I'm not gonna go against my plan and blow this account, even if I win in the CPI trading. But still, that's against my plan. So if you're going against your plan and you're winning, so that's also a loss. So I'm being disciplined. I'm not like trading again today. We'll not even trade tomorrow. If I find, see, I have just 5% left now. I have to take a trade on the best setups I can probably see. So if I take trades on those setups only, then there's a chance that I can revive this account. So right now I'm not looking for trades. I'm looking for perfect A plus setups. If I spot those setups, I'm definitely gonna take this trade or take that setup. See, you know what? And one thing which I have realized again is that after this win, after this win, $289 win, I started to I started to chase really big wins, because after this win, all of these losses, there was a point in these losses, majority of these losses, see, all of these losses which I have after that win, in all of these losses, there was a point in the trade where I was like I was in a floating profit of $100, $50, even $150. So there was points. There was multiple times. There was a point where I was like, uh, I had the opportunity uh, to book profits, but I didn't. I kept holding the trades. So that's when all of these things messed up. So now I have like changed my profit taking criteria. See, I'm gonna exit 90 or 80% of my lot sizes when I have achieved around $100 or $50. No, 100 on as soon as I achieve $100, I'm gonna exit 90% of my trade, and I'm gonna just keep holding that 10% if that goes and hits my desired TP. So with that, what will happen, I'm gonna close profits early. I'll regain my confidence, my win rate's gonna go up, and with that 10% which I'm currently holding in that trade, I'm gonna be in that trade psychologically, and I'm gonna earn a bit more of that if it goes and hits my TP, and I'm gonna break even that trade. So that is what I have learned. Because see, this gain, this was a very good gain, but these type of gains don't happen um, very frequently. And all of the losses after this, like, see, this gain doesn't mean anything to me if I am chasing this big wins, and like in that chasing I am losing a lot. See, this is not a normal losing streak, this is a very big losing streak. And all of these losing streaks were not bad trades, they were bad execution, they were bad taking profit strategies where I messed up. So yeah, man, I've learned that, and I'm never see. I'm like very demotivated today. I was trying to. I was like, I was thinking of even changing my strategy. But see, the problem is not in the strategy. The problem is in me. I am messing up with the strategy. I am not executing it perfectly. Sometimes I'm using the wrong lot size, and I've invested so much time using this strategy. Like 3 4, there are like I am trading this strategy since 4 months, and now it's my breakthrough phase, and I have to push past through this phase, and I'm never gonna give up, and I'm never gonna give up. Because see, this man has never given up either, so I'm not gonna give up either. Okay. this man this man is in jail since the past 3 years, and I am sitting over here in front of a screen and crying on these numbers, crying on these losses. Man, I should have some shame in me. Because see, This is nothing. This is nothing. I'm gonna definitely go and push past through this break even phase. I'm definitely gonna. So see, today is CPI. Where is the news? Yeah, this is news, right? Today is CPI. Today is Tuesday. Let's go to high impact. Today is core CPI. At what time it is? It's at 6:30 p.m. It's around in 1 hour. There's CPI data, and I'm gonna trade it on demo. Like, I'm just gonna place my analysis on demo. I'm not gonna invest anything in this trade. How I'm gonna trade it? Let me just tell you my setup as well. So I am gonna trade the CPI news. I'm not gonna trade it with real on my funding account. What I'll do, when this price action further develops, like it's around, there's 1 hour more for the core CPI data to come, right? So at this point, yeah, this is inflation rate, CPI, and everything, right? So I will the latest 30-minute candle, the as soon as the 6:30 candle ends, right? I'm gonna place a buy stop on the high of that candle, and I'm gonna place a sell stop on the low of that candle. That's it. As soon as the data comes, it's gonna push past through either the high or the low of that candle, and with the volume in CPI, it's gonna break all these zones, and I'm gonna exit somewhere at my. There will be no TP, there will be no stop loss, there will be a mental stop loss, and there will be a TP where, like, if I have achieved around 2 to 3%, I'm just gonna exit. So I'm just gonna see that how that plays out today. Okay, done for the day. And yeah, man, it's hard, but like, we can't do anything, right? We have to be resilient like this guy. We have to be tenacious like this guy, bro. Yeah, man. So yeah, man, done for the day. Maybe done for the uh yeah, man, done for the day. We'll take only good setups. Might not even trade tomorrow. I'm just gonna take good setups where I have 100% conviction, and the probability of the price going in my direction is higher. Only then I'm gonna trade those setups. Okay, bye.